I'm Mrs. Shrout, and I am here to give some April awards. I'm going to start with Mathematician of the Month. This award is given to one student chosen by their classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job within math over the past month. Whether in class participation, assignments, or practice, they've gone above and beyond what is expected to achieve more in math. Today, we're presenting awards to our April mathematicians. Congratulations to the recipients. Zaylin Butler, Benjamin Leddington, Gabe Peak, Lyrics Culver, Rucker Knoll, Sadie Jones, Maddie Phillips, Cora Hawkins, Nash Berslovic, Avery Saunders, Bryson Heineman, Devin Miller, Phoenix Lucart, Klein Sleister, Everett Holbrook, Sophia Schneider, Olive Kitahara, Chase Petchtel, Reagan Middleton, Taylor Calloway, Colin Wolf, and Annalise Resch. The Character Trait Awards are given to two students chosen by their classroom teacher who have exhibited curiosity during the month of April. The recipients are inquisitive and always eager to learn. Congratulations to our Character Award winners for April. Zaylin Butler, Layla Gray, Millie Wolf, Grayson Hillbrandt, Finley Williamson, Parker Weber, Aria Herndon, Remy Larkham, Trayson Beasley, Patty Stevens, Zoe Angel, Alex Bednar, Riley Betts, Levi Kurzweil, Esmeralda John, Kalia Clark, Grant Conriff, Miles Cummins, Nolan Payne, Connor Burton, Naomi Gaskins, Keaton Donley, Elijah Carver, Piper Trussell, Caden Bowers, Brantley Harrell, Adeline Calhoun, Macy Burnett, Aiden Pickens, Hope Landstrom, Bentley Hall, Hadley Crotty, Levi Pendleton, Skylar LaPlante, Erickson Allen, Nolan Hartzell, Marley Courtney, April Kane, Connor Baker, Cash DeShazer, Elena Thomas, Allison Munoz Evans, Matthew Forbes, and Jamie Miller. Congratulations.
Good morning, HES. So this morning we are doing our award winners for the month of April. And so we'll start with our Service Above Self, which goes to a third grader. Once again, we always want to thank our Rotary Club for sponsoring this award. So our April award winner for third grade is London Sloan. Congratulations, London. Now we'll start with our Wildcats of the Month. We'll begin with our first graders. Once again, we do want to thank our Harrisonville Police Department, which graciously sponsors our program every year. So our first grade Wildcats of the Month are Gavin Guntert and Elena Thomas. Our second grade Wildcats of the Month are America Rodriguez and Savannah Carver. And our third grade Wildcats of the Month are Abby Pruitt and Callie Pruitt. So congratulations to all of our April award winners.
This month our counseling award goes to Miss Arnold's class. Miss Arnold's class is always ready when I come in, and they always try their best to be kind to each other. So congratulations on the counseling award, Miss Arnold's class.
Hi Wildcats and Wildcat families. I'm so excited to come to you once again to present our April Music Star Awards. And I'm going to begin with our class awards. Each one of the class awards this time, the winners on the Bravo Board contest, were classes that this is going to be their second time for the school year of earning that. So congratulations to the third grade class, Miss Hassick's room. In second grade, the winners were Mrs. Schenker's class. And in first grade, the winners are Mrs. Eccles' class. Great job, guys. Now let me tell you about our individual Music Star Awards. I'm going to begin with our third grade students. In Miss Arbace's class, congratulations to Carly Clausen. In Mrs. Baldwin's class, congratulations to Lydia Connard. In Mr. Baraska's class, Aubrey Johnson. In Mrs. Hammond's class, Amelia LePage. In Miss Hassick's class, Sunny Jackson. In Miss Hayden's class, Klein Sleister. In Mrs. Hopper's class, Matthias Berg. In our second grade classrooms, congratulations in Mrs. Castellano's class to Tripp Williams. In Mrs. Durnell's class, Tyson Talbert. Miss Harrigan's class, Bryson Heineman. Mrs. Hastings' class, Taylor Ward. In Mrs. Schenker's class, Brooklyn Gutjar. In Mrs. Siegenthaler's class, Nicholas White. And Mr. Wade's class, Mario Villa. And then in our first grade classrooms, congratulations in Mrs. Arnold's class to McKenna Rushley. In Mrs. Brown's class, Jackson Whelan. In Mrs. Eccles' class, Waylon Hufford. In Mrs. Florence's class, Maylee Schleen. In Mrs. Holman's class, Everett Holbrook. In Mrs. Jackson's class, Asher Atkin. In Mrs. Mitchell's class, Braylon Roberts. And in Mrs. Snyder's class, Leah Lake. Good job, Wildcat musicians.
Hi Wildcat family, it's Mrs. Henderson in the art room. I have just a short and sweet message today. Today I'm congratulating Mr. Waite's art room class for coming to art and really improving a behavior. From the beginning of the year we worked really hard, consistently reminding each other how we can best be successful in the art room by having good teamwork, encouraging each other's creativity, and what I love most about this class is the sharing. Each of the students challenges each other to give compliments to others, and that's just a really fun thing to see. So I appreciate their hard work and continued growth in the art room. Congratulations, Mr. Waite's class. I also want to just say happy end of the year. So as one of our last assemblies, I encourage everyone to stay creative over the summer and can't wait to see you when we're back in August.
Good morning, HES. Coach Weichel here. I'm going to announce our April winners for sportsmanship. The class that won the sportsmanship award for this month is Miss Hopper's class. Congratulations, guys. Our first graders are going to be Recklin Wilson and Jack O'Connell. Second grade, Persephone Woodford and Keaton Donnelly. Third grade, Brinley Larson and Maverick Bollinger. Good job, guys. Keep up the great sportsmanship.
Good morning, Wildcats. This is Mrs. Lahman, and I am giving my library award to a class that I have enjoyed all year long. They are so fun to visit with, and we get off on a lot of different conversations and a lot of different topics to visit about. They are so sweet to each other and kind to me, so I am giving my award to Miss Hassick's third grade class. Congratulations, Wildcats.